If you're trying to disable Captcha on Google Chrome, here's the important truth right up front. You usually cannot fully turn Captcha off because Captcha systems like I'm Not a Robot, reCAPTCHA, and Cloudflare verification are controlled by the websites you visit, not by Chrome itself. But the good news is, there are a few smart steps you can take to reduce how often Captcha appears. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and sign into your Google account. Click the profile icon in the top corner and make sure you're logged in. Trusted, signed-in users often see fewer verification checks, so this is a simple first step that can help. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Turn off VPN apps, proxy servers, and even free VPN extensions in Chrome. Shared IP addresses are one of the biggest reasons websites flag traffic and ask for Captcha more often. If you're trying to browse normally, using your regular connection can make a big difference. After that, clear your Chrome cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Once those are selected, click Delete Data. Sometimes corrupted or outdated browser data can cause websites to keep showing verification pages, so clearing it can help reset that behavior. Now check your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Look for anything that can make your browser appear automated or suspicious, like auto-clickers, scraper tools, or extensions you don't recognize. Disable anything unnecessary, then restart Chrome and try again. Websites often use Captcha to block unusual browser behavior, so cleaning up extensions can help you look like a more normal user. Another helpful step is restarting your router. Turn your router off for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This may refresh your IP address and sometimes reduce how often Captcha appears, especially if your current network address has been flagged by a website. Finally, make sure Google Chrome is fully updated. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically, and if there's a newer version available, install it. Updated browsers usually work better with modern website security systems and can reduce weird verification problems. So remember, you can't usually disable Captcha permanently in Chrome, but by signing in, turning off VPNs, clearing cookies, disabling suspicious extensions, restarting your router, and updating Chrome, you can often reduce how often it shows up. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more Chrome tips, and I'll see you in the next video.